Okay, so today, guys, we are putting the lower control arms, well, actually putting the ball joints on the lower control arms, but you get the gist of what I'm saying. Anyway, we got the GK Tech front S13 lower control arm ball joint. We're going to press this in to this today. So I will show you guys how to do that. It's actually very simple, kind of a pain in the ass, a little scary, but yeah, let's get her done. So here we go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get the ball joint taken apart here. So we're going to start off by taking this little spring off. Well, I mean, I guess you can call it a spring, eh? It's kind of shaped like that. So I'm just gonna get it here and then rotate my finger all the way around it. Pop old girl off. We're also gonna take this off. So just kind of give her a squeeze. There we go. You can see all of the grease that is already in there. And I'm going to just kind of spread it around more, make sure it is all in there. Cool. Now we are 360 all the way around. Okay. Now, I'm going to take our lower control arm. I'm going to give her some good old grease. So just kind of ooh, actually, I'm gonna clean this off and I'm gonna kind of scuff the inside and clean it up because they did paint them. I will be right back. We are back, and as you can see, I scuffed kind of the inside of it just a little bit. So now I'm going to put grease in it, just to make this a little bit easier, because the one I did before this, I didn't really do that. So, but it went in. Just gonna send it. All right, here we go. So, and she is on. Cool, nice. And if you were wondering, the big ass socket that I'm using is a 36. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. But yeah, 36, and then just something flat to keep the socket flat. But anyway, here we go. We're going to reassemble this now. Let's do that real quick. I'm kind of doing my best to like show you guys and do this at the same time, so stick with me here. Oh, that one went swell. Wow, look at that. Sweet. Make sure we can move it. She is in place. Awesome. Cool. Now the boot. Okay, do the same thing that I did before. Pull over. It's the same tool that you had used for the snap ring, and just gently bring her on over, and then she will pop into place. Anyway, she's on. Now, our last piece. Roll her on down, and we are a unit. Sweet. I actually got the other one on. No bushings over here yet, unfortunately, but yeah. I'm gonna put this on the other knuckle on the other side, and then I'm going to just kind of bolt it up and wait for the bushings to come. So yeah. All right, what's going on today, guys? We got another update. I went ahead and got the front ball joints on, as you just saw. To continue on that, I now have put together everything, including the new tie rods and tension arms. I mean, everything is loose right now, obviously, you know, but we're not going to worry about that until I get the lower control arm bushing on. So, with that being said, I need to put the spacers on the rack to center it, but I can't really do that without the lower control arms kind of like fully in place. It's kind of difficult, obviously, without anything getting bolted in, but they should be on the way today, so I'm probably going to stop this. I just wanted to show you guys the kind of layout of everything, I guess. So it looks really fucking cool in there. So yeah, super stoked. Yeah, they should come today. So if I fill something tonight or tomorrow, so be it.